First, open Settings on your PC. Then go to System and click on Storage. Here, you can see your PC's local disk storage usage. Just below that, you'll find Storage Sense. Turn it on. Now, click on Storage Sense to open the settings. Enable the option Keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files. Next, you can configure the cleanup schedule. You can choose to clean files every day, every week, every month, or when disk space is low. You can also set how long files stay in the recycle bin before they are automatically deleted. This simple setup helps keep your PC clean, fast, and running smoothly. You can also do this by using PC Manager. Just open PC Manager and go to the Storage section. Here, you'll find Storage Sense. From PC Manager, managing and cleaning your storage becomes very easy. Simply click on Deep Cleanup, and it will remove temporary files and cache from both your system and your apps. You can also scan your PC for large files. It shows you the file sizes clearly, so you know what's taking up the most space. From here, you can delete files, move them, or even open their folder directly. You can filter files bigger than 10 megabytes, 50 megabytes, 100 megabytes, or even up to 1 gigabyte. You can scan all your drives or choose just one specific drive. There's also a really useful feature called duplicate files. It scans your PC for duplicate files, videos, and images. And the best part is, it can find duplicate files, even if the file names are different. You can use this feature called Smart Select. It will automatically select the duplicate files, videos, images in your disk. You can move it or delete it. You can also check your PC's health using Health Check. It checks your network status, usage history, and several other important things. You can see your daily usage time, and you can even manage how much time you spend on different apps. In the Process section, you can see which apps are currently running and how much memory they are using. From here, you can close unwanted apps, which helps your PC run faster and smoother. And finally, you can customize your startup apps. If you're not sure what startup apps are, these are the apps that start automatically when you turn on your computer. You can turn them on or off from here, and you can also see your total boot time.